The simulation shows the projectile's motion. The help option refers to the detailed theory of the simulation. The parameter n denotes the mass of the object. The parameter v0 denotes the initial velocity of the object. The parameter h0 denotes the height from which the object is launched. The parameter phi denotes the launch angle of the object, which is the angle formed by the launch velocity with the horizontal plane. The parameter SR, simulation rate, denotes the rate of the motion simulation. Newton's first law governs the object's motion along the x-axis where no force acts, resulting in uniform linear motion with velocity vx. Along the y-axis, the object experiences acceleration g due to its weight, following Newton's second law. In the results table, equations for displacement x and y, velocity vy, and the angle formed by velocity with the x-axis are provided. We can interrupt the motion, hide the table of results, and also hide the vector quantities of the phenomenon. We reset the simulation to its initial environment. We can choose various combinations of parameters and start the simulation. Finally, in the problems option, representative problems on projectile motion are suggested. You can solve the problems and verify the correctness of the results using the simulation.